remaining two classes are real estate and gold, which are traditional Indian avenues for investment that we think of physical assets we need to have with us. What is your outlook on gold? Do you think now the government has imposed, in fact, an import duty hike on gold, which means it's become more expensive to invest in gold vis-a-vis global prices? But also in real estate, since 2000, late 2020, 2021, a lot of state governments started offering concessions on stamp duty. They all started offering banks. They wanted to encourage people to put money into real estate. So there were a lot of property developers were adding freebies into their sales. Is real estate is now a good bet to enter real estate? Are there different markets are behaving differently? What about the residential real estate market? What are your thoughts there?
Sure. So in terms of gold, I think you are rightly said that, if you look at the gold prices internationally, they have already corrected year to date. They have corrected by around 15%. But in Indian terms, in INR terms, gold is still held up well. There are two reasons for this. One is the government increased import duty on gold, and second thing is due to the USD INR effect, because INR is depreciating. That's why the Indian price, the gold prices in INR have held up well. And as I said, uh, so you, it's never a good or a bad time to invest in gold. So it is an asset class which has negative correlation to most of the asset class. It has a negative correlation to equities. So when equities are falling, your gold will protect you in times like global financial crisis, or in 2011 gold gave you returns of about in fact in 2020 as well, gold gave you returns around 25 to 30%. So it's about you having a diversify in a portfolio, and it is a very good diversify. You never know, one, nobody predicted this US Russia war. It just one day Putin decided to attack Ukraine, and then it's about, I think gold should be an important part of
Okay.
an Indian household, and it is.
Hmm.
It is. So people have been investing traditionally in gold jewelry and all, but now we have a lot of avenues. One can invest in
Yeah.
SGB, one can invest in gold bees, which are very convenient. SGBs give you over and above the price appreciation. It gives you 2.5% interest rate annually. So it is a very attractive asset class. So one should have definitely, around 5 to 7% of gold in the portfolio. Uh, and about real estates, so the thing is, so there are these investment trusts which are called REITs and InvITs. I'm not
Right.
sure if you heard
Yeah.
of.
Yeah.
So they are
Real estate investment trusts and
yes,
infrastructure
real estate
investment
investment
trusts.
trusts and infrastructure investment trusts. So these investing in real estate has also become very easy via these trusts. So you can just go to exchange like you buy your stocks. You can buy these investment trust, and these give you a fixed yield as well. In fact, in times of high inflation and high interest, something you should enhance the fixed yield component in your portfolio,
Okay.
and these REITs and InvITs give you a fixed yield, and also there is a appreciation also, because real estate in general is said to be, again another inflation hedge. So there is an capital appreciation part as well, plus there is a fixed yield part as well. So these are very attractive instruments. I think investors can definitely look at REITs and investment InvITs from a longer term perspective if they want to have a fixed yield in their portfolio.